Hi guys! Today I have a super easy and quick to make recipe for you for Valentine's Day, or you can also make these little cherry hand pies for any time of the year. They're really easy to make and really delicious. Let's get started! So it was really quick and easy to make, and I really hope you liked the recipe. In my tutorial I made the cherry pie filling myself because we don't have any store made cherry pie filling here, and as you can see it's super easy to make. It will take you only about 15 minutes at the maximum, and well, then you have to allow it to cool completely before using it, but it takes only 15 minutes and then it's ready to use, and then you also know what goes into your cherry pie filling. However, that being said, you can easily also buy store-bought, and then it's going to be even more quicker for you to make. I left these little hand pies as they are like this, so I didn't decorate with anything. I think they are pretty and really delicious as they are. Sometimes I think simple is better, but if you want, you can also decorate them with a little powdered sugar or a powdered sugar icing, or you can dip them in chocolate and decorate with some sprinkles. Just get creative and make them the way you like. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of the coming recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.